Keep all your game, highs and lows, highs and lows. It's all the same, highs and lows, highs and lows. Keep all your game.
Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to share what I eat in a day. So if you are interested, keep on watching. So my day starts with a big glass of warm water with half a lemon squeezed. Sometimes I drink 2 glasses of the same water. I drink this first thing in the morning because I think it detoxifies the body so well and it is great for your digestion and is great for your skin also. After drinking that, it's time for my pre-breakfast snack, which is this apple. So I think it's great to start your day with something light because obviously we are going to build it up throughout the day. So it's better to start your system with a light food. And also this is what Ayurveda says, so why not? So what I do is peel the apple completely and then chop it into small pieces, transfer it into a saucepan and then add 1/4 cup of water into it. I like to add more water because I like it that way. You can definitely add 1/4 cup of water and then add some cloves into it and a pinch of cinnamon powder. You can also add the cinnamon stick into it. And then I simply cover it and let it simmer for 10 minutes on medium to low flame. And this is how the apples will look after that. And once the apples are well done, we are going to transfer it into a serving bowl, and that is how you make spiced stewed apples. I learned this recipe from Radhi and I link the exact recipe down in the description, so if you want to check that out. I really love how these taste. And after having my stewed apples, I move on to my main breakfast, that is this protein smoothie. I am currently using this protein powder and I'll list all the ingredients on the screen for the smoothie. So basically I just put all the ingredients in a mixer and then grind it. So yeah, that's basically it. So this is not what I have every day. I keep switching between oats, pancakes, eggs, omelets, etc. So yeah, this is what I'm having today. So this smoothie keeps me full until my lunch time. It is packed with nutrition and it tastes yummy. So yeah. So after about an hour of my smoothie, I take this vitamin C tablet, one tablet with a big glass of water. It is from the brand Carbamide Forte. I'll link them down in the description. And sometimes I take the curcumin tablets also. Looking at the current situation, if I'm going out, I'll take this one too. Now moving on to my lunch, which is basically very Indian. So I eat any vegetable with 2 multigrain rotis and a little bit of salad or cucumbers or curd or buttermilk, something like that. It keeps on changing, but mostly it is something like this. And throughout the day, to keep myself hydrated, I have this bottle from Amazon and it is, I think it's a great bottle. So what I do is chop a few cucumbers or lemon and then I just pop this into my bottle of water, and then this makes the water really tasty, and I keep on sipping some water throughout the day, which keeps me really hydrated.
All your game, highs and lows, highs and lows. It's all the same.
And some days I just sip on ice cold water with some lemon in it. I think it's a great way to increase your intake of water by just adding simple things like lemon, cucumber, ginger, mint, etc. Now moving on to the evening snack, which is a big cup of milk tea with some stevia, and then on the side I have some makhanas. I love makhanas because they are highly nutritious and they are also yummy. So yeah, I just roast them with a little bit of oil, salt and pepper. That's it. And now coming to the last meal of my day, I'm going to cook sandwiches today, but then it keeps on changing. Sometimes I eat salad, sometimes hummus. It keeps on changing, but today I'm making some open sandwiches. So for that I have broccoli, zucchini, mushrooms with me, and I'm going to stir fry them with a little bit of butter. and I keep it very simple. I just add a little bit of sea salt and I add a little bit of pepper. I don't add a lot of spices into it, but you can definitely add some oregano or some chili flakes or maybe some peri peri, whatever you want. I like it this way, so I keep it very simple. And once my vegetables are half done, I just put them on a side, and then on another side I just add a little bit of oil, and then I stir fry my chicken pieces also. These are also marinated in salt, pepper and a little bit of ginger garlic paste. And now on a toasted bread, I spread any kind of sauce or any kind of hummus, tahini, whatever I have, and top it off with the stir fried vegetables and the chicken. So I like to chop the chicken before or shred the chicken before putting it on here. And then I just top it off with some chili sauce and a cheese slice. And I reheat it in the same pan so that the cheese melts. And with this, my dinner is ready. I don't have a habit of munching a lot at midnight, so I don't have a midnight snack kind of a thing. But yeah, this is my last meal of the day. I hope you guys like this video, and let me know in the comments what did you eat today or what did you picked up from this video. I would really love to know that. And that's it for today's video. Until next time, bye bye.
It's all the same, highs and lows, highs and lows. Keep all your game, highs and lows, highs and lows.